So I received my heater and it does not respond to being plugged in whatsoever. I tried multiple outlets and now I have to reset all my clocks. But a light is supposed to come on here that does not, and it does not respond to being powered on. It's all plastic. It's super light. I don't know. I was skeptical. Doesn't work. Have spent a lot of time on the phone with Amazon customer service twice now, a chat. And now they're saying I need to be home for this window of time tomorrow for UPS to come get it. It's Monday. I'm working. There's no convenient place to drop it off. The nearest locker is full. I just had 2 foot surgeries. I'm over it. My apartment's cold. So yeah, might not want to get this one.